Yeah, welcome to Trust Library. So today in this session, we are going to learn about Playwright. So why Playwright? Why companies are using Playwright for automation testing? And what are the applications of Playwright? Okay, we are going to discuss about these. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. Oh, what is Playwright? Why? I mean, okay, 1 second. Yeah, who can learn this course and what are exactly needed to get the job? Okay, and Playwright using purpose. Okay, what is project based? What is product based? These kind of things we have discussed in the last class. Okay, but now in today's session we are going to learn about why Playwright. Okay, and why companies are using Playwright. Using Playwright. Why companies are using Playwright. Why companies are using Playwright. Okay. So first of all, the main advantage of this Playwright is it is having less coding. Next, fast execution. Supports multiple browsers. It supports multiple browsers. Supports multiple browsers. Auto waits feature. It supports auto waits feature. Auto waits feature. Next, it's an modern automation framework. Next, lot of job opportunities. Lot of job opportunities. It is having a lot of job opportunity. Okay, first we can discuss about each point now. So first of all, it is having less coding. So when compared to other coding, I mean Selenium or anything, so it will use very less code and execution after writing the script we have to execute, right? For execution purpose it is good very fast and supports multiple browsers in the sense we are having in different kinds of browsers like a Chrome, Mozilla, Safari, like that. So it can support multiple browsers. And next, it is a auto waits feature. Auto waits feature in the sense, for suppose if you after opening the web application, for suppose it's an web application. Okay, now I want to use any uh one link. Okay, so here, if after opening the link, it is taking some time to open the page. Okay, but if you want to open this page with Selenium, then we have to give the weights. Okay, implicit weights, explicit weights we have to use to open this kind of web application. But in Playwright, we don't need to use weights. Okay, to open this kind of application, it will automatically, by default, it will automatically takes, wait for some time, and till the application response, then it will give the results. Okay, next, lot of job opportunities. Next thing, lot of job opportunities. It is having more number of opportunities. For suppose, see here, Playwright is having, this is here Playwright. So here Playwright is having so many lot of job opportunities. Okay, if you know thoroughly about Playwright, then you can get the job on Playwright. Okay, and here, as long as software is there, as web applications, automation, testing, opportunities will also there, will also be there, will also be there. Okay. So till, we are having draft of web applications, right? If there's a if there are web application, then Playwright will be also there to test the web application. That's the meaning of this point. And and this is very important. And also, next we are going to discuss about what are the applications of Playwright. Playwright. Sorry. So, what are the applications of Playwright? First of all, it will be useful for automation testing. Next thing is web application testing. Testing. Next, third thing is API testing. Fourth one, end-to-end testing. Fifth one, cross-browser testing. CI/CD automation, automation, and modern UI testing. Okay, these are the applications of Playwright. As we know, first one is automation testing. We are using Playwright for automation testing, and for the next for web application testing. So here we are having a lot of web application now. Creek having one web application. Meesho is having one application. Sanketik has one application, and Amazon. So these are the more kinds of web applications, right? So these in order to test these applications, we are using Playwright and API testing. After placing the order, I mean, when we are going to buy an item in the uh, e-commerce sites, when we after clicking on the buy option, then it has to redirect to payments like other third party apps like Google Pay, Phone Pay, like that. So in that case it can be usable whether the application is redirected into payment apps like Phone Pay or Google Pay or Paytm, like that, or from Bookmyshow or from any other sites. Okay, so in order to check whether the e-commerce or any other websites are able to redirect to payment apps or like not, like that, we used to check by using API testing. So and end-to-end testing, what are the entire the workflow we can test the application by using end-to-end testing and cross browser testing. Browser testing in the sense we are having different kinds of browsers, Chrome, Mozilla, Safari, like that, right? So uh, in order to use cross browser testing also, we are different kinds of browsers also, we can use this Playwright. CI/CD automation, continuous improve integration and the continuous development. Okay. And also next for modern UI testing. UI testing in the sense you are having UI applications. Okay, whatever I shown here is the UI applications only. This is the one kind of UI application. Is also UI application only. This is also UI application. UI in the sense user interface. Okay. So UI technologies have some front end and back end. Okay. Front end and back end technologies. So actually UI, so here, one second. UI means front end only. Okay, UI means front end. User interface. I can write the full form also. User interface means front end. Okay. So what are the technology they are using for this is HTML, CSS, next, sorry, JS or JavaScript. Okay. Next, backend. Backend may use Python, Java, Node.js. Okay, these are the some backend technologies, and also we can use database also. Database. First one, MySQL. Second one, Oracle. Third one, MongoDB. Okay, these are the databases. And Playwright helps us test complete web applications. Playwright helps us test complete web applications. Okay, these are the front end back end technologies, and these are the applications of Playwright. And the purpose of a Playwright is this: less coding, fast execution, supports multiple processes. It is a modern automation framework, and it is having a lot of job opportunities. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding this session, please comment below, and please do like, share, and subscribe for our upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching. See you in next class. See you in next class.